How to download Geometry Dash 2.2 in iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Geometry Dash 2.2 in iPhone. So first thing, just head over to your App Store on your iPhone and just search in for Geometry Dash. So once you search in for Geometry Dash, you may want to scroll down. As you can see, Geometry Dash Lite is for free on iPhone as well, and similarly you just have to scroll down until you see the Geometry Dash, as you can see over here. So for this game you have to pay about 3.99 USD, so it's not available for free. You may try it with your third-party application, but directly on App Store it's not available for free, so you may have to pay certain charge like this and then download on your device. If you don't want to try that, you may want to try Geometry Dash Lite as well, so you can just get it for that instead of that Geometry Dash replacement as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.